Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation by a group Data Harmony. And without further ado, let's get started. So, we're going to implement a movie database in MySQL, which is relational, as well as Neo4j, which is non relational. So, on your right, you can see an ER diagram for the relational database that we are going to implement in MySQL. So, it has the main entity movie with its attributes. It has languages, country, and a thing to note is we have a weak entity, alternate names, and a weak relationship with that. And another thing to note is that we have person is a actor, director, or writer, and there can be overlap between them as well. Like an actor can be a director as well, and a director can be, a writer as well, and like that. So converting this into MySQL tables. So you have all the entities. So the entities, there'll be a movie table, there'll be a genre table, and there'll be a movie genre table that captures the relationship between them. So movie genre will have its primary key as a combination of genre ID and the IMDb ID, and it's similar for all the other entities as well. Whereas alternate names will only have one table which will be movie alternate names, and in that the primary key will be the combination of IMDb ID and the alternate ID, which satisfies the rule for a weak entity and relationships. And now converting this relational schema to a non-relational one. On my left you can see a schema visualization for a movie database in Neo4j, which is a graph database. So that means it deals with nodes, which is analogous to entities in our ER diagram, and edges, which is analogous to relationships. So we don't have is a relationship anymore, if you can see. So we have actor, writer, and director as different nodes over here, and and they are all related to movies in form of director directs a movie, writer writes a movie, and actor is in a movie. And there is a country node as well. So movie is from this country, and a graph can be unidirectional or bidirectional, but in this case we have unidirectional relationships. And a thing to note is that the other entities like genre, country, and alternate names, they are stored within the movie nodes as well as an array. So in a node we have data stored in key value pairs. So in movie we have keys of genre, language, and alternate names, and the values are all the genres in in an array.